Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and got no plans today, so let's go ahead and check on Chris and see what's going on with the shop. Well, what's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Cleaning up this engine bay a little bit.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a mess.
What you got here, dude? What kind of spray is that?
Heavy duty oven cleaner.
Only the best, right?
Dollar Tree, baby. It's the best shit you can get. Honestly, been using it for years.
Nice. You'll see. Well, let's take a look at this over here on this side. So, airplane. So, we'll see how it's gonna look. Dang, Chris, he went ahead and cleaned up the whole shop. Shop's not that dirty.
It was.
I thought I was gonna pull all the paint up and everything.
I pulled a little bit up, but
Yeah, it's not bad though.
it is what it is.
Man, oof, that stuff is pretty powerful. Oh,
Right?
jeez.
Thing waterproof.
Hopefully the camera's waterproof. That'd be cool.
Give it a couple more minutes. Wash this and then I'll do the frame rail. Whatnot.
Yes, sir.
What's up, buddy?
It's looking better.
Oh yeah. Good old oven cleaner.
Yeah. Well, I mean, technically this is an oven in here.
True. Right here.
What?
Get this right here. Super satisfying. You ready?
Yep. So we got this skid steer so we can move the lifts in this week, so definitely gonna help us unload the trailer. All right, so we're gonna do a cold air intake on this thing. We're gonna do a yeah, psych EPA. Nah, cool. She's a nice unit. What do you think?
Pretty good, yeah. Shout out to our buddy Scotty hooking us up with this thing to get the lifts in and off the trailer and whatnot.
Yeah, how many PSI of air do you think those tires hold?
77. 77.
At least 100. But cool. Yeah, shout out to him, dude. Big time.
So you guys can see him in a couple videos shortly.
Yeah, we're
Going
gonna
out to Mexico or something, maybe.
Yeah, he's gonna bring his little S10 out here. It's a big block Chevy.
No, just a 305.
Yeah.
Super healthy 305.
Sweet deal.
Not crazy. You guys should see it. Like, maybe today. Later on. I don't know. We'll see.
Alright guys, I forgot to mention too that Chris already went ahead and dropped off the block and the heads over at the machine shop locally here at I think it's Deland Auto Machine if I'm not mistaken. So all the parts are all out, so she's ready to go. So this video is just gonna be real short, so. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Definitely like, subscribe, and share this video. And we'll see you on the next one.